Hi, welcome to Barkau Automotive in Stockton, Illinois. This is a brand new 2017 Chevy Silverado Z71 Supercharger with 660 horsepower. It has a Rocky Ridge Alpine package. You will be king of the road driving this beautiful truck, which includes a 4-inch full coil over performance lift kit. The color of this beautiful truck is graphite metallic. It has two door emblems that say Alpine, 20-inch wheels, 35-inch all-terrain tires, color match fender flares, color key bow ties, power step boards, color key slime line fender flares, Whipple supercharger, and right here you can see the 4-inch lift kit and the power step board. Inside you can see the sunroof, leather seats throughout. And in the back seat, there's plenty of leg room for your passengers. It's absolutely a good looking truck. There is 2 cup holders in the front. Navigation, heated seats, phone charging pad, Bose stereo, premium spray in bed liner, Rocky Ridge tailgate emblem, and LED lights, stainless steel dual exhaust system with black ceramic tips. Stop in for a test drive. We are located in Stockton, Illinois. Check us out on the web at barkauautomotive.com or call us at 815-947-3331.